Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to disable the libraries folder in Windows 11. Very simple method guys, just find out File Explorer, open 3 dot options. Now guys, here you will see 3 tabs. Just click on this middle view tab, scroll down and this third option from bottom, show libraries. So unselect this box, then apply, then click on OK. Now close it. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple settings we can hide and disable libraries folder in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.